transducer. What is now in today's class we will learn the difference between transducer and the piezoelectric effect. Transducer and sensors, the difference we will learn, and we will learn piezoelectric effect. What is piezoelectric effect? Transducer and sensors have been used synonymously, although the concept is different, because transducer are physical element which is a part of sensor. In fact, transducer are essential element of sensors. A sensor cannot be constructed without transducer. Look at carefully. This is the input signal. Input signal is fed to transducer. Transducer output is fed to electronic circuit for signal conditioning. Then output is fed to sensor output. A sensor is merely a sophisticated transducer. A sensor is like a sophisticated transducer in the sense that it contains some signal conditioning circuit. Look at carefully. This is the signal conditioning circuits, and signal conditioning circuit is capable of amplifying and refining the weak and raw signal that is available at the output of the transducer. Since signal conditioning circuit is capable of amplifying and refining weak and raw signal that is available at the output of the transducer. This is the signal conditioning circuit. The transducer output is fed to signal conditioning circuit that is capable of amplifying and refining weak and raw signal that is available at the output of the transducer. The output of the transducer is referred to as equivalence. Output of the transducer is referred to as equivalence, and signal conditioning circuit is capable of amplifying and refining weak and raw signal that is available at the output of the transducer. Okay, so a sensor is merely a sophisticated transducer in the sense it contains some signal conditioning circuit like this, and transducer is an integral part of sensor. So input signal is fed to the sensor, and sensor input signal is fed to the transducer, and transducer output is fed to the electronic circuit for signal and conditioning. The work of this electronic circuit is amplifying and refining the weak and raw signal that is available at the output of the transducer. This transducer output is a weak and raw signal. This electronic circuit amplifies and refining the weak and raw signal, and output will be treated as sensor output. Now, what is piezoelectric effect? It is referred to a change in electrical polarization that is produced when certain materials. It is a change in electrical polarization that is produced in certain materials when they are subjected to mechanical stresses. Suppose there is a certain material like crystalline material and quartz. If we apply mechanical stresses to that material, then electrical polarization will be changed. If we apply mechanical stresses on that material like crystalline material, quartz, if we apply mechanical stresses on that material, then the electrical polarization will be changed, and that's this effect of changing electrical polarization when in certain materials when they are subjected to mechanical stresses is known as piezoelectric effect. So the proper definition is: it is the change in electrical polarization that is produced in certain material when they are subjected to any mechanical stresses. That means if you are applying mechanical stresses on a certain material like crystalline material or quartz, the electrical polarization will be changed in that certain material. So this effect is known as piezoelectric effect, or that effect is known as piezoelectric effect. This can be found in naturally available material like crystalline material and quartz. So tomorrow we will talk about piezoelectric effect. What is piezoelectric effect and what is the effect of piezoelectricity? How the electrical polarization will be changed if we apply piezoelectric, if we apply mechanical stresses on this type of material like crystalline material and quartz. For the time being, remember the definition of piezoelectric effect and remember the difference between sensor and transducer. Remember, transducer is an integral part of the sensor. Output signal of the transducer will be applied to the electronic circuit for signal conditioning. This is the transducer output is a weak and raw signal that will be amplified and refined by the electronic circuit for signal conditioning, and the output will be treated as sensor output. Output will be treated as sensor output. So sensor is basically, it is a circuit. So sensor is it's a combination of transducer and electronic circuit for signal conditioning. So transducer is an essential element of sensor. So without transducer you cannot construct a sensor. Remember this type of things. Okay. So you can call that sensor as a sophisticated transducer, but transducer you cannot call directly transducer as a sensor. You cannot tell that a transducer is directly a sensor, but you can say that a sensor is a sophisticated transducer. Sensor is a combination of transducer and electronic circuit for signal conditioning, and this is the weak and raw signal comes out. This is a weak and raw signal which comes out from the transducer output. That weak and raw signal will be amplified and refined by electronic circuit for signal conditioning, and output will be treated as sensor output. So this is your sensor and this is your transducer. This is your sensor cum transducer and this is your piezoelectric effect. From tomorrow we'll learn piezoelectric effect much deeper manner. We'll learn the piezoelectric effect properly. What is how the polarization, electrical polarization will be changed when the naturally available crystals are subjected to mechanical stress. That we will learn tomorrow. How electrical polarization will be changed when the naturally available substance like crystalline materials are subjected to any mechanical stresses. That we will discuss tomorrow. Okay, that part we will discuss tomorrow. For the time being, this is your today's work, and remember the difference between sensor and transducer, and remember the piezoelectric effect definition.